What are going on, people? Hold on, hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Rasta and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I'm saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carla, is this your first time? Yes.
I came prepared, just in case we get stuck.
Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that.
If I look with me, I'm going to do this.
Okay. So, over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm going to go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet. But everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss.
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches.
Yes.
A honey did that for you?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the way teeth, my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir,
Oh.
beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just to follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
You see. Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Ackeen.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my thief in there that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, some of youth. Hi, miss.
Hi, guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as it.
Not as yet.
Not
You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine are drunk, you know. See me, people. A great
Yeah.
Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Hey, last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. I understand how she don't get chat to next man.
Calm down, calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, wanna break up with you?
Yeah, why
Cause
did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage your life? Oh.
Just shoot and try to keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people them, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up!
Hold on. Get your feet phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down.
Money don't take you.
Come on, settle down. Why this time on your phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me see 15, that's something I want to hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John Mustard, why this
So
a
them
freeze up
other
so
something
much?
like this the over the side too?
Talbot. 80 and
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family, get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, no, say happy, then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look for her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So one next flicker that's in country.
Find it.
Yeah, white pants.
Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
That's on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. Yeah. So come now.
The minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself.
Oh
To
my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carla Gordon. Am I hearing me?
Carla, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now we have no time. The sun now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, we don't think them question I say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be able
works.
to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try mess with them where that is concerned. So the first question, what is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
Yeah, I know.
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think? Ask a question.
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who write the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Female, and yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which
Let's
is,
hear it.
are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
That question not bore anyone. Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality. But then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when they're in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look at them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how they might treat it over there, so.
Just go
Over there,
ahead.
number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here that kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex
Remember, I'm a
life.
virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
Come on, Tyson. Come on, Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who
Yes,
get things done.
Alright, cool. Good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's
I
a
don't
virgin.
know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly females, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
yeah,
is.
weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
Alright.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off, I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot. Right?
You sure?
You just at the time. Me have it on record now, so the time hot. Me hot. It's not nervous, me hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't know nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
What does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer sound a while ago. I'd ask this question, but
Will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask a question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No.
nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future. Me no.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, we just
No,
assume,
I'm
so,
saying
yeah,
it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in
Say
5
answer me
years?
who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
No, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
Impersonate?
yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Well, let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give then I think I kinda look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Ken.
the boy yard. You won't believe what the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. You think that good? On a grader in the comments, so 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years? Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or
Yeah.
they're asking about me? As in,
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. Here, go get that kind of person. Huh?
sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I
Don't have enough money then.
Me just want comfortable. You
Okay.
know? Because
You don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
this is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in
Do
one
it for
man,
me.
I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the
and-
man can dead and
Well.
only lad know who left in assets too. Me no want be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. Me I go tell you who asked this question, and I still want to assume, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you'd have breed for me, that's how him say, but me just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But
as
the
yet.
person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, me know
is.
that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly on the wall or so. Nobody where you see.
pitch it off.
So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance.
I
Just
don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything in one. Baby daddy, husband. Because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's a father.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. my father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. I'm not judge after physical
No,
features.
seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but me I expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, oh, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right or so. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend there.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
It's like, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, it... But guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Oh,
that was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me, I run this show,
I'm
you
not
know.
ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so...
Me think, are Richard asked this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question. I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't, when me show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question, I'm gonna expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
And I really don't say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard can't
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody.
We have to make it a little bit challenging. Come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question, and what would I ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, oh, what is this about? And it brings that to mind and say, oh, what is the goal? So like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
but we can personalize that question. So probably that question I can be friends with.
Okay.
So everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal
aspirations.
Thing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day, where
I am now?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, I must learn I must learn, either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what I hope to achieve by doing this, making movies, filming, all of that, at the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here, and so you're in a position to put her in.
Exactly, it was very.
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are need. See through ya.
Targeted. I
See
feel
who of them.
targeted.
So look on them. See them and them ask a question. Who of them? Them
I can't believe y'all.
I hope you not call me name for my question.
No, you don't get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody. So, I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you ask.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
You answer, I don't.